It was one of the strongest earthquakes ever measured, and security cameras captured its 90 terrifying seconds. It struck in the middle of the night.
Fue terrible, terrible.
Chileans struggled to get out of buildings, some in just their pajamas. Paula Saez, a relief worker just back from Haiti, spoke with us from Chile's capital, Santiago.
There's a lot of people screaming in the street. Everybody's walking and screaming names of people, trying to look if they're safe.
At dawn, the extent of the devastation came into focus. In Concepcion, Chile's second largest city, 70 miles from the epicenter, the earth opened up, tearing apart asphalt and even buildings, toppling bridges and tossing cars from an overpass. The quake rumbled almost 22 miles below the surface.
An 8.8 earthquake is more powerful than the largest nuclear bomb ever tested.
Paul Caruso of the U.S. Geological Survey told us Chile's quake was much bigger than the one that rocked Haiti just last month, releasing 500 times more energy.
If the epicenter was near a populated town, the town would be utterly destroyed. Fortunately, in this case, the epicenter was off the coast, and the people in Chile have experience with earthquakes, and they're well prepared for this one.
Chile's president told reporters the priority is to deal with the injured and homeless. We're asking everybody to stay calm, to stay patient, she said. We reached Cecilia Lagos at her computer.
So it was absolutely frightening, absolutely terrifying. I really thought it was the end of the world.
The quake temporarily stopped work at some oil refineries and copper mines in Chile, and according to the government, damaged up to 500,000 homes.
Russ? Seth Doan, thank you very much.